बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। Don't be discouraged if hard is your fight, as sharp light casts deeper shadow. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, part 3. We suppose the given quantity let be equal to x. Taking log on both sides, we have log x is equal to log of 0.678 into 9.01 whole divided by 0.0234. Considering this law, log of a into b by c equal to log of a plus log of a minus log of c, we write log of x is equal to log of 0.678 plus log of 9.01 minus log of 0.0234. Consider first log of first quantity, that is 0.678. Reference position is placed after first non-zero digit. This is reference position. Decimal point is one digit before it, so it is -1. Characteristics is -1 as decimal point is placed one digit before reference position. This is reference position. Mantissa is considered as, consider first two significant figures of the extreme left column of tables of logarithms, and third here in 10 columns it is 8. First two figures are considered. Here it is 8 is considered here, and mantissa becomes 8312. Writing the answer of log of any number, characteristics is written first before the decimal point, and then mantissa is written afterwards. So log of 0.678 is equal to 1 bar 0.8312. 1 bar means characteristics is negative but mantissa is positive. Remember that mantissa is always positive. So log of 0.678 is equal to 1 bar 0.8312. Then log of 9.01. Again consider log tables. Now in this number, decimal point is placed after first non-zero digit, and this is reference position. If decimal point is placed on the reference position, characteristics is then 0. Decimal point is placed after first non-zero digit, and this is reference position, so characteristics is 0. Now consider 90. Here is 90, first two significant figures, third one in one of these columns, this is 1, the value is 9547. Here it is, mantissa is 9547. So log of 9.01 is 0, this characteristics, then decimal point, afterwards mantissa. Characteristics, then decimal point, and then mantissa. So it is 0.9547. Log of second quantity, second number, characteristics is 0, decimal point is placed on the reference position, mantissa is 9547, so it is written. Third, log of 0.0234. Here it is. First non-zero digit is 2, so reference position is here. This is the place of reference position. Decimal point is 2 digits before this, so it is -2. Mantissa. Consider two significant figures. These are two significant figures and this is third significant figure. First two significant figures are considered here, extreme left column of tables of logarithms, and third figure is considered in one of the 10 columns from 0 to 9. This is 4, so consider in the column of 4, as well as against 23 it is 3692. Mantissa is 3692. As characteristics is negative, so it will be written as 2 bar point 3692. Mantissa is written after decimal point, characteristics is written before decimal point. If it is negative, then it is written as 2 bar, 1 bar, 3 bar, whatever the characteristics is, it is written before decimal point. We have found it. We will write all these values as log of 0.678, this log of 9.01 is this, log of 0.0234 is this. Then consider this is negative while Mantissa is positive, so it is written -1 plus 0.8312 plus 0.9547. Now consider this as minus sign. This is -2, but Mantissa is always positive, so it is written with plus sign. Further simplifying, we have consider this as plus, this is minus. Simplifying it all, we get 2.4167. Then taking antilog on both the sides, we have antilog of log x equal to antilog of 2.4167. Antilog cancels log, antilog cancels log, so the next step will be x is equal to antilog of 2.4167. Now, as this is characteristic in finding log of a number, so in antilog the value before decimal point is the same characteristic, and Mantissa is considered in antilog table as, now consider, we will look in the 0.41 value in the column of 6 and afterwards in the difference column of 7 as here. 0.41 table of antilogarithms contains decimal point values. All these are decimal point values. So in 0.41, first in the column of 6 it is 2606, and then in the column of 2 it is 1. Considering in the antilog table here 0.41, first in the column of 6 it is 2606 and in the column of 7 it is 4. So these two values are added up for overall Mantissa of antilogarithms. Here 2606 plus 4, it is 2610. This mantissa is considered in the answer as antilog of 2.4167. Mantissa is considered. Characteristic is used for placing the decimal point in the mantissa of antilogarithms to find out the value of x. And this is reference position. First non-zero digit is 2. Characteristics is 2. So it will be placed here. If it were 1, then decimal point would be placed here. If it were 0, decimal point would be placed here. If it were -1, decimal point would be placed here. And now in this case, where characteristics is 2, decimal point is placed 2 digits ahead of reference position. Again, I say before you the definition of reference position. Place after first non-zero digit is called reference position. Okay. Now check the answer using calculator. Multiply these two quantities and divide the product by this one. The answer must be on calculator as 261. If the answer is 261, then get satisfied that all the procedure in all the steps is true. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.